What we want to do in this video is talk about the huge difference between Pennsylvania and New Jersey firearm law. Now, when it comes to Pennsylvania law, I'm well versed in that. I'm, of course, a Pennsylvania attorney. I've been doing firearms-related law for a long time now. I'm going to be relying for the New Jersey component of this with our friend and fellow independent program attorney for U.S. Law Shield, Evan Napin, in his office. He's given us materials, and what I've tried to do is take some of the big ones and the big differences and bring them out here in your video. The first one is really important. New Jersey does not recognize any out-of-state permits. So if you go to New Jersey and you have a license to carry a firearm, it might as well be monopoly money in your hand, because it's not recognized in New Jersey. It is not your permission slip. It isn't a, oops, I thought this meant it was good over here type of thing. They do not play in New Jersey when it comes to firearms. The consequences are humongous. People have spent years on top of years in jail over ammunition and also firearms brought into New Jersey, even with the best intentions at heart, relying upon what would be legal in their own state. You can't use that as a defense in New Jersey and say, oh, if we were in Pennsylvania, it'd be legal, because they don't recognize any out-of-state permits. Another thing is that it is absolutely, without a doubt, illegal to possess a handgun or any long gun in New Jersey without a firearm purchaser identification card. If you don't have that card, it is illegal to possess any handgun or any long gun in New Jersey. There are a couple of exceptions, and the exceptions are if you're traveling to or from hunting, to or from a place of business, to or from a residence or shooting range. If the exception applies, the gun must be totally and completely unloaded in a secure and fastened case or a gun box, and the course of travel, meaning where you go, shall only be under deviations that are reasonable under the circumstances. So you can't stop 12 different ways. You have to go pretty much directly to or from if one of those exceptions apply. So not only must it be unloaded in a secured or fashioned case or gun box, or it can be locked away in a completely locked trunk. That's the other exception. So your SUV ain't gonna cut it. So the bottom line is, when it comes to Pennsylvania and New Jersey, is there are tremendous, life-changing, life-altering differences in the laws between the two. New Jersey is not anywhere near as gun-friendly as Pennsylvania. You cannot go to New Jersey and say, oh, I didn't know it was illegal. That doesn't work. And you can't say, oh, but this is legal in Pennsylvania. It does not work. They will not give you the benefit of the doubt. Be very careful.